What'd you say?
I don't like you.
You don't like me.
No,
Why?
because I don't.
Why don't you like me?
I don't.
What did I do? What did I do? Do you want to talk about it?
Raisin and you want a hot dog.
Both what?
Raisin and you want a hot dog. Get it, Mom.
What's the matter, Mikey?
I don't want to talk.
Why?
Because I don't.
What's the matter? Are you self-disciplining again?
No. Mommy.
Don't you want to come play with Grace and Lauren?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't.
Grace, Mikey needs a hug. You think you've been bad?
Go away. I don't like you.
Why?
Because I don't.
Well, I love you.
I don't love you. I don't love you.
Well, I love you.
No.
I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No.
I'm sorry you're sad.
No.